In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication name on Substack. Whether you've outgrown your current name or want to rebrand, it's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to update your publication name with ease. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to substack.com. Once you're on the Substack homepage, look for that trusty Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If your browser has saved this information, signing in should be as easy as the click of a button. If not, just enter your credentials to get access to your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. You should see your profile icon somewhere near the top. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage various aspects of your Substack experience. Now, you might have more than one publication on Substack, so the next step is selecting the right one. If that's the case, look for the option to choose your publication. Once you have the correct publication selected, we'll continue on to the rest of the settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find a list of different options that you can configure. What you're looking for is the Website section, so go ahead and find it on the list. Click on Website, and it will take you to the page where you can make changes to your publication's name. Here comes the exciting part: altering your publication name. This is where you can input a fresh new title that better represents your vision. Feel free to get creative, but remember, this name is how your audience will recognize your publication. Once you've decided on the perfect name, type it into the designated field. After entering your new publication name, it's important to save your changes to ensure the update takes effect. You should see a Save button somewhere on the page. Click it. With that, your new publication name is updated and ready to shine. And that's it. You have successfully changed your publication name on Substack. As a final step, it might be a good idea to double-check everything. Log out and then log back in to confirm that your publication name appears correctly on your dashboard and to your subscribers. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. It's always satisfying to see your creative vision take shape with a new name. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more tips and guides for enhancing your online presence.